Hello people, well, can you imagine getting off the train in the 1870s and being greeted to that hotel? Absolute masterpiece of a masterpiece of a building. But yeah, once called the Northwestern, I believe. But someone was mentioning to me on one of my other stories that this was the original five-star hotel, but I can't find any evidence of it. But in the 1870s, definitely, it's an absolute tyrant of a building. I'll give you a little bit of a closer look. But again, just imagine getting off the train for the first time in Lime Street Station and then being greeted to stay in this place. Unbelievable. I would have loved to have seen what it was like back then. Nothing but class.